Stepping into the world of eco-luxury design feels like entering a space where art, sustainability, and craftsmanship blend into something truly special. And in today's video, profit with style elegant upcycled wood art pieces for the eco-luxury market, we invite you to discover exactly how you can transform humble, discarded wood into high-end masterpieces that not only elevate modern interiors, but also generate real profit. Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor. There is something magical about taking a piece of timber that has seen weather, age, and history, and giving it a new life, as a refined artistic statement, one that appeals to buyers who care about quality, style, and the environment. Before we dive deep into these elegant design ideas, make sure you subscribe to Kuki Decor, so you never miss our daily inspirations on upcycling, woodworking, and eco-friendly decor ideas. Today's video is all about exploring the most stunning, profitable, and luxurious forms of upcycled wood art that you can create, whether you're a beginner, a seasoned woodworker, or a small business owner looking to enter the premium decor market. When we talk about eco-luxury, we are referring to a design style that embraces sustainability, but presents it with sophistication, clean lines, sculptural form, high-quality finishes, and a visual presence that instantly communicates elegance. The goal isn't just to recycle materials, it's to elevate them, refine them, and turn them into something a buyer would proudly display in a modern home, boutique hotel, luxury office space, or high-end retail environment. Imagine a piece of driftwood that once floated along a quiet shoreline becoming a polished, minimalist centerpiece for a contemporary dining table, or a chunk of old beam wood transformed into a sculptural form that brings warmth and texture to a luxury living room. These are not just crafts, they are statement pieces, conversation starters, and works of art that buyers in the eco-conscious market are actively searching for. One of the most profitable directions within eco-luxury decor is sculptural wall art made from reclaimed wood, where geometric forms, layered textures, and abstract designs create visual depth and modern appeal. These pieces require creativity and attention to detail, but the results can command premium prices because they offer something unique. A blend of artistry, sustainability, and handmade craftsmanship. Whether you choose subtle earth tone finishes, or bold contrasts enhanced by natural grain patterns, wall sculptures made from reclaimed materials hold immense commercial potential because they fit seamlessly into upscale interior design trends. Another high-demand idea in the eco-luxury market is minimalist table sculptures and centerpieces crafted from naturally weathered wood. With soft curves, refined edges, and polished surfaces, these pieces bring organic warmth into sleek spaces while still feeling modern and luxurious. Many small business artisans have found success selling these designs at craft fairs, online boutiques, and upscale home decor shops, because they offer buyers something beautifully handcrafted and completely one of a kind. These pieces can be created from scrap wood, tree roots, driftwood, or leftover materials from larger woodworking projects, making them cost-effective to produce while still distinguished enough for high-end markets. A third elegant and profitable idea is functional eco-luxury decor items like candle holders, trays, decorative bowls, vases, and lighting features made from reclaimed wood. When finished with high-quality oils, matte waxes, or satin coatings, these pieces achieve that refined, boutique-style look that luxury buyers adore. The key is craftsmanship, clean shaping, seamless sanding, and smooth finishing, ensuring a polished, high-end final appearance. Many creators also pair reclaimed wood with materials like glass, stone, brass, copper, or matte black metal accents to enhance the sophistication and create a mixed material aesthetic that fits beautifully in contemporary eco-luxury homes. These kinds of decor pieces are not only beautiful, but highly sellable because they combine elegance with functionality, two qualities buyers are always drawn to. Eco-luxury design also embraces geometric and contemporary pieces, where clean lines, symmetry, and modern architecture influence the final look. Think of structured wooden art panels, stylish room dividers, or decorative frames made completely from reclaimed materials, but finished with a modern aesthetic. These creations appeal strongly to interior designers working in the upscale market because they offer customizable, sustainable decor that fits perfectly into minimalist homes, Scandinavian-style spaces, and warm modern interiors. Such pieces can also become a catalog item for small businesses, allowing creators to produce them in different sizes, colors, and patterns for greater consistency and profitability. Another profitable category is luxury wooden lighting, such as pendant lights, tabletop lamps, or sculptural light fixtures that combine warm wood textures with soft ambient lighting. These pieces instantly elevate interior spaces, and customers are willing to pay premium prices because they are both functional and artistic. Upcycled wooden lighting always feels sophisticated, especially when paired with warm LED lighting, brass accents, or matte finishes. Many small home decor brands have built entire product lines around wooden lighting because it remains one of the highest demand categories in online marketplaces. Eco-luxury wood art also thrives on creative finishes, such as deep matte oils, natural waxes, lime washes, burnt edge effects, or charcoal black coatings inspired by Japanese shosuji-ban techniques. These finishing methods enhance the natural grain of reclaimed wood, making each piece feel rich, timeless, and elegant. When you master your finishing techniques, your products stand out instantly. Buyers can easily identify high-quality craftsmanship from the surface alone. This is one of the most important aspects of selling to the eco-luxury market. Your pieces must feel refined, polished, and thoughtfully crafted. When selling eco-luxury upcycled wood art for profit, presentation is everything. High-quality photography, clean product descriptions, thoughtful branding, and a consistent visual style elevate your pieces and make them more attractive to modern buyers. Whether you're selling on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or in a physical boutique, your audience is drawn to storytelling, meaning, and the emotional connection behind each piece. Tell the story of the reclaimed wood, where it came from, how old it is, how you transformed it, and why sustainability matters. This narrative brings value to your craftsmanship and helps customers appreciate the artistry behind each design. Also consider offering custom orders, as the eco-luxury market loves personalized pieces tailored to specific spaces or design themes. Before we wrap up today's video, this is a perfect moment to remind you to subscribe to Kuki Decor if you enjoy daily inspiration on upcycling, woodworking, and sustainable home decor ideas. Your support helps us continue sharing fresh content that inspires creativity, eco-friendly living, and profitable craftsmanship. Every subscription helps grow this community of makers and dreamers who believe in giving new life to old materials in the most beautiful and stylish ways possible. As we come to the end of this warm and inspiring journey through eco-luxury upcycled wood art, remember that you're not just making decor, you're creating pieces with soul, character, and purpose. You're breathing life into materials that once felt forgotten and turning them into elegant works of art that bring beauty, sustainability, and craftsmanship into modern homes. Whether you dream of starting a small business, selling at markets, launching an online shop, or simply crafting stunning pieces for your own space, the eco-luxury market is full of possibilities waiting for your creativity. With every sculpture, centerpiece, wall art piece, or refined wood decor design, you contribute to a future where style and sustainability walk hand in hand. Thank you for being here, thank you for supporting Kuki Decor, and thank you for choosing creativity that honors both nature and craftsmanship. Stay inspired, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.